Okay, it's The0Bmx0Kid's bike check.
Hey, crank that damn. Why me crank my Why me do? Hey, crank that damn.
I have orange contact wheels, haro spokes, and a haro fork. I didn't add much onto it. It's a haro F2 function, or function F2, whatever. And then I have some lizard skin grips. They're pretty cool, but like, I need some grip glue. They're not staying on very well. I have a haro seat. I'm wishing to get a purple seat. I don't care what it is. I just really need one. It just kind of goes along with the whole bike theme. Okay. I have a kickstand. It's kind of rigged. It's not supposed to be on there. The haro. Anyway, I have a haro pedals and a haro. Oh my god, I can't even think of the name. What you call it? But anyway, it's kind of crooked, but it's fun. Haro pegs, and I'm kind of wishing that they aren't that rusted. And let's see here, what else? Yeah, that's pretty much it. Everything else is haro. Oh yeah, and then there's my quality bike shop sticker from whenever I got my brakes redone. The brakes are just alright. I don't even know what that is. But anyway, yeah, it's The0Bmx0Kid's bike check, and thanks.